If your PC feels slow or is acting strangely, screen freezes, gets pop-ups, and is bombarded with ads, or maybe you've already been hacked, malware has been placed on your device. I've been there too. In fact, mine feels slow right now. So let's clean it up together using Malwarebytes, one of the best free tools to remove hidden malware, adware, and junk that drag down performance. I've trusted it for over 15 years, and it's never let me down. Here's how to do it step by step. First, download and install Malwarebytes using the official link in the description below. Once on the website, click Free Download. And once it's installed, open the app. On the dashboard, hit Scan to start a full system scan. Depending on how many files you've got, it may take a while. So I'll fast forward mine here. My scan finished in just under 22 minutes, checking over 230,000 files, and it found 2 malware infections. You'll see the results listed clearly. Review them to make sure they're not false positives, and these are legit threats. Then hit Quarantine to safely remove everything. This clears out hidden threats your regular antivirus might miss. After quarantining, Malwarebytes will ask you to restart your PC to finalize the cleanup. Do that, and you'll likely notice your system running smoother, faster, and safer. Now, Malwarebytes does offer a premium version with real-time protection, but let me assure you the free version is perfect for on-demand cleaning when your antivirus doesn't catch something. It's effective and reliable, and gets the job done where others fail. Download Malwarebytes now using the link below, clean up your PC, and enjoy a faster, safer system today. You have the power to take control of your PC's security. And if you want to level up your online security even more, don't miss my next video on the top 7 free VPNs in 2025. It's on screen right now and linked below. Click it, and I'll see you there.